seat. What's this?
No, the pink one doesn't do anything.
What's this?
No, not that one either.
What? Feet.
Yeah,
What?
the white ones do.
Back.
The black ones do. Yeah. Can you sing? Can you sing? Can you play and sing at the same time?
Sure.
Yeah. Hey, honey, go see your piano. Can you say, honey, can you say thank you, Granddaddy? Say thank you, Granny Cheryl. Say that again. Thank you, Granny Cheryl. Maisie. Look at Mama.
Back.
Yes, I know.
Pick. Back.
What color's that piano?
Blue.
Blue?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Pink.
Pink. It's pink. What color is it?
Pink.
Pink.
This.
No, that part doesn't play.
This.
No, that doesn't either.
Ear.
Uh-uh.
Feet. What?
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
Back.
Okay. Honey, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say thank you, Granddaddy.
Daddy.
And thank you, Granny Cheryl.
Flower.
Thank you, Cheryl. Okay. Say thank you for the piano.
Flower.
For what? What is this?
Bow.
What is this?
Bow.
Say piano.
And piano.
Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.